Hello and welcome to Nature Lover. Today I will tell you how to treat lice or blood mites. Lice or mites are parasites which are one of the most common parasites found on birds. Last week our parrots and birds were in utmost severe discomfort, so we appointed to a veterinary doctor and they suggested Bolfo powder. Bolfo powder is for controlling ticks, fleas and lice. Our doctor suggested us to use it twice a week. First we were applying the powder to the finches. Do not dust into the eyes or nose or any open area. Dust the affected parts of the animal's body against the direction of hair or feather or fur. Be very gentle while doing this. Consult your veterinarian before using this powder. You should thoroughly clean the bird's cage, making sure to scrub and disinfect all the surfaces, nooks and corners. Do not inhale the product and use mask and wear gloves while applying this powder to the pet. The powder is highly recommended for dogs and cats for controlling ticks, fleas and lice or blood mites. We were now applying the Bolfo powder to Cocktail. It was not easy as it was trying to fly away. Cocktails are very delicate birds, so be very patient and gentle while doing so. One must avoid the open parts like eyes, mouth, nose, etc. Blood mites are a complete nuisance. Our birds were in severe discomfort. Puchuk and Fuchuk were facing lot of trouble like itching, scratching, etc. Here on Puchuk, we were dusting the affected parts like head or lower belly portion and gently rub the powder up to the skin. Puchuk's feathers are very much thick in nature, so we have to be very patient, and we were very patient while applying or dusting the powder. We had to be very careful as it was rolling and shuffling into hands, and it's very natural and normal, but we have to be very gentle while doing this. One more thing you should keep in mind, that you should not use this powder on any extensive superficial wounds on the skin. I personally prefer to consult a doctor before dusting this kind of powder on your pet. Surprisingly, we have found some dead mites on the table after dusting the powder, and this is an instant result. Now it's the turn of Puchuk. It was moving around so very much that we had to wrap it like this. The process of dusting is similar to others. Doctor prescribed us to use the powder twice a week. I have used the powder once and my pets are really very well, free from itching, free from scratching. The treatment of lice or blood mites are very easy and pocket friendly. If you have experienced such trouble in your life, just comment below. Do consult a doctor before dusting the powder. Please do like, comment, share, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also follow us on Instagram. Thank you.